What's up, guys? We are in the lab today and we're going to be doing an overview of the Jeep Gladiator 2-inch Mopar lift kit. So check it out. All right, guys, so we've got the lift kit laid out here on the table, and we're basically doing an overview for this lift kit because, again, it is a Mopar lift kit, so a lot of people are like, hey, is it worth the money? Right now, currently as it sits, this one is about $16.95 retail. I know a couple months ago it was $14.95, so we're in August of 2022, so there was a jump a couple months back. But this lift kit here is everything that Mopar says you need for your Jeep JT Gladiator. So pretty simple lift kit, not very intricate. No, you're not getting any track bars, adjustable track bars. No, you're not getting any track bar brackets. So Jeep is basically saying, hey, it's unnecessary. I have seen some other people opt to add those on. You can't add a Mopar one, so you're just gonna have to go to another one of the aftermarket industry providers and pick out a track bar if you feel like it's necessary. We've actually been running the 2-inch JT lift on our Gladiator for about right before Jeep Beach in April when we got it. So, a few months, and we're actually pretty happy with it. One of the neat little things that Mopar does is they give you the little performance rated badge that goes in there. Other than that, my biggest recommendation when you're installing this is making sure you put the springs in the correct spot. Don't just be like, oh, I've done 5 lift kits before, these just pop. Nope, they are side specific here, especially when you get into the JLs because there's so many different versions and engines. Make sure you read that. If you're installing this kit, guys, what I recommend is take the nut on this guy and put it on and take it off a couple times. These threads are a little gunked up. So if you actually put this in the axle and you're trying to tighten it underneath, yeah, you're not gonna have fun. So normally what I do is I put the nut on with a little, like mini impact, put it on, take it off, put it on like 3 or 4 times. That way it cleans the threads up really nice. And then that makes it 10 times easier to put in. Now on the sway bar links, you are reusing the factory nut, so that's something to keep in mind. I know in the beginning firsthand that the nuts weren't actually the same thread, so that was kind of an issue. It looks as if now Mopar has fixed that because I've done about 4 or 5 lift kits since, a bunch of those, and it's no longer an issue. So as far as simplicity on this install, guys, I'm gonna say that if you know what you're doing, it's only gonna take you a few hours, a couple hours really. It's very simple. I personally start in the rear. I knock out the rear first, then I move to the front. Once I basically gut everything, take everything off, go ahead and drop those control arms, put the new control arms in, put everything back, and then retighten all the control arms once it's all sitting on the ground. But this lift kit, man, you don't need any special tools, any die grinders, any bits. Everything pretty much lines right up, no holes to be drilled. So I actually really like this kit. I know it's not the cheapest kit out there, but the quality, again, you guys know it does come with Fox shocks. So we've got a brand new set of Fox shocks that are going in there. And the ride is not bad. We are actually running a Gladiator. Our Gladiator has just the regular fenders, and we were able to fit 37s on it. So I know that's a question. How big of a tire can I fit with this lift kit? I'm comfortably running 37s. I do not wheel this Gladiator. If I did wheel it, I probably would do 35s, just so I'm not limiting that articulation and ripping my fenders off on the trail. But you can easily fit 37s on this, guys, with this 2-inch lift kit and plenty of room. So what we're gonna do is I'll show you a couple pictures of before and after. I'm gonna go ahead and install this one here today. So I'll show you what it looks like before when it's stock, and I'll show you what it looks like after. So check it out. guys, thanks for watching today. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions or comments, please post them below. We'll do our best to get to you. And again, we just hit 1,000 followers, so I know not a big deal to some people, but for us, it's awesome to see that we're growing and helping out the community as much as we can. So thank you to all of you who are subscribers. And if you know anybody who's not, tell a friend, like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video, guys.